Yo guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can get Showbox completely for free. So the app gives you access to countless movies and TV shows at no charge. You can even download the movies and watch them offline later. So it's pretty handy app to have in your phone, obviously. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. What you need to do first is go to this website, aptrix.co, you can see, and then you're gonna search for Showbox here. Yeah, here it is, Showbox. What you need to do here is tap inject. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, so what we need to do here is a quick verification. Just download two apps and open them for 30 seconds each. So I'm gonna go with the first one. Just need to update it. Alright, so once you open it, you just wait for 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna count that. Alright, let's go with the second app. Open. Same as the first one, we wait for 30 seconds. Alright, so that should be it, guys. So once you do this, you just need to wait for like 20 seconds to 30 seconds and the app will start installing by itself on your device. So that's basically it. So if you struggle with the tutorial or need any help, make sure you hit me up in the comments. Also, thank you for watching the videos. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys.